Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can save files in Canva to PDF. Now this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. You just need to have here the thing that you want to save as PDF or print PDF, depends on what you want. For example, I'm just going to go with this one for example, and I'm going to click on add new page here. Now I'm going to save this as PDF. Now in the top right guys, you just need to click on share in the top right, and then you want to click on download. Okay, so after guys you click on download, here where it says file type, you want to click on this and you want to select PDF standard. Now that's if you want to save it for like best for D commands and emailing. Now to print it, if you want to print PDF, you just need to click here on PDF print, and it's best for printing. Now I'm going to go with the standard one, which is PDF here, and what you need to do, you want to click here. You can also select the pages if you want to like save this as PDF, the page 2 or the page 1 and the page 2. I'm going to go with page 1 and the page 2, click on done, and after that you want to click on download. Okay, so after guys you click on download, by the way, you will have to have the premium one because I have done that all like multiple times now. The first time they will allow you to download it probably, so just try it and click download, and then you will be able to download it as PDF. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. See you guys next tutorial.